Buying property in Ogun State as a company, what you must know. If your company wants to buy land or property in Ogun State, there are a few key legal points you must understand before making payments. Many businesses lose money because they fail to follow the right legal process when acquiring land in company's name. First, ensure that your company is fully registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC) and has updated their documents, especially your certificate of incorporation, memos, and board resolution authorizing the purchase. The board resolution is crucial. It officially gives your company the legal authority to acquire property. Second, when negotiating the property, make sure the deed of assignment is drafted in the company's name, not in the name of director or staff member. Missing personal names with the company property often causes ownership dispute later. Third, engage a property lawyer to conduct due diligence. Your lawyer must verify the seller's title at the Ogun State Land Registry, charge the surveyor at the Surveyor General's office to confirm that the land is genuine and free from government acquisition. Fourth, once the transaction is completed, ensure the deed of assignment is stamped, registered, and submitted for governor consent in the company's name. This perfects the title and legally recognizes your company as a property owner. Also, remember that when a company owns property, it must keep proper record in its asset register and include the property in its annual filings with the Corporate Affairs Commission to avoid compliance issues. Buying property through a company is perfectly safe as long as every step follows due process and the document reflects the company's legal identity. I am Charles Chukwumakwoka, a property and real estate lawyer based in Ogun State and Lagos States. My goal is to help individuals and companies acquire and protect their properties legally. Follow me on platform Chairman Property Lawyer for more short legal insight that protects your investment. Thank you.